Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 13 Days of Craft-O-Ween. We are starting a 13-day little mini-series of all of the door openings, or actually little envelope openings of the 13 Days of Craft-O-Ween by Spellbinders. Now, these little videos are just fun little activities to do together. They're not long, extensive projects. These are very short videos that will run consecutively 13 days in a row. They run anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes, and they are going to show the actual reveal the first time I'm opening the package, followed by an assembly, and then the finished project. So I've kind of spliced these together, and they were done at different times. Overall, I think it came out really well. My husband, I want to give him some kudos because he did all of the die cutting for me. We sat here in the craft room over a weekend, and he die cut while I worked on other projects. And then I did all the assembly and the project completions. So it was a fun little thing for us to do together, and he does help me from time to time in the craft room, and he has wonderful ideas when it comes to brainstorming cards. So thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I look forward to seeing you in the craft room. Bye for now. All right, day one with Craft-O-Ween by Spellbinders. I am so excited to be opening these with you. And then we are going to switch over and I will show you what I create with it. Here is day one. Have a fantastic night. Now in the box with the 13 days of Craft-O-Ween, you are also getting a full stamp set. So this, I'm assuming, is going to be on the stamp set. Remember, I'm opening this for the first time with you. So let's see. Have a fantastic night right there. So you're getting all of these sentiments, which read, hope your Halloween is to die for. Trick or treat, you're so sweet. Creepin' it real this Halloween. Wishing you a mysterious Halloween night. Enter if you dare. Have a bone-rattling Halloween. Monstrously fun wishes. Cheers to spooky sips. Happy Halloween. Magic and mischief awaits. Have a treat-filled night. Stay spooky, boo. And boo is separate. And have a hauntingly good night or good time. Then you're also going to get the no-hole sequins. So both of those are going to come in your box along with all 13 days of folders with full die sets in them. So this is just day one. I'm about to flip over now and you'll get to see my treat bag that I'm creating with this die set. Okay, friends, so change of plans. Randy has die cut all the dies for me, and now I am assembling them one at a time for each of these videos. So in some of the pre-videos where I'm opening the boxes, you are going to see all of the assemblies of each of these die sets immediately after, followed by the completed project. I thought adding the assembly to these videos would make them a little bit more helpful to the watchers, to give you just a little bit more help in the creative process, just in case you're unsure of where the pieces go. You can always fast forward through the end of the video to see the finished sample. It's only like 3 minutes long for the assembly, so I hope that is okay and that you know, some of you do benefit from the actual tutorial here. So for this one, it was pretty self-explanatory. These hands were probably the most difficult. I wasn't sure, you know, to do the hands first or to do the actual shirt first, and they line up almost perfectly, but I wanted the hands to be just under the sleeves. So I went ahead and did the hands first, and it worked out perfect. So they go right up to each other. Spellbinders makes dies assemblies really well. So now we'll go and look at the project.